Steve Davis Snooker on the Spectrum. I'm probably just as bad now as I was back in 1984 at this, and as rubbish at it as I am at snooker in real life. But I used to play it a lot, so let's see how we go. Okay, rules are fairly straightforward. You place the ball in the D, and then you can try and do what it is they do on the telly and play it nicely. I tend to just smash it, because that way you might get lucky and pot a ball. Right, here we go. Power up, spin up. Here we go. And oh, I got one. I got two. Oh, bollocks. Ah, that was great, wasn't it? Okay, I committed a foul, so I don't get any points, but the computer type thing does. So let's try and redress that balance. So we go. Try and pot that nice easy one. Yeah, now we're cooking. Now we have to select a colour, so you do that by pressing the keys that correspond to the colour. Well, pink looks like the easiest shot, so 6. Let's see how bad or not I am at this. Oh, yes. Cooking. The highest break ever on this game, I think. And as normal, we'll go back to a red. Difficult to make a snooker game sound exciting, but oh no, there we go. Normal service is resumed. Ah, right. It's an easy one there. Well, looks easy, but probably my skills is not. What was that? Something just, oh, bumholes. Go that one there. Let's move the cursor up. It's a Steve Davis. It's a very interesting game. Try it. Yeah, look at that. Way. Now, got to select a colour. So, this blob thing up here is the green. So we'll go green. It's actually not green, it's just a circle with a white outline. Just that the snooker table happens to be green. So let's try that. Oh no. I believe I used to actually play this game a lot with my mate. It was quite a fun 2-player game. It's really simple in its design and stuff, but you can imagine if you were put your time into it and just get good at it, it'd be alright. Still, good laugh. But at the moment, it's a bit of a pain in the arse. Still, it's what the Spectrum did really well. Simple games, but playable. Not sure where I actually got this game. I think it might have been in Folkestone in 1985 or even 1984 probably. Maybe not, I don't know, can't remember. Anyway, that's Steve Davis Snooker on the Spectrum. Bye.